traveling creator here at the Strat in Las Vegas, where I am staying in a 2-queen room. Join me for a full room tour, highlights of the hotel amenities, and the pros and cons of staying at the resort. Let's get started. Okay, here we are at room 24051. This room is located in the Select Tower and is on the highest floor. I'll start by giving a tour of the room, followed by a look at the hotel's amenities and the surrounding area. Stay tuned until the end for my final thoughts. The room came with a standard washroom, no complaints. The room was very clean and felt spacious. The high ceilings and large window added to the sense of openness and brightness. My biggest complaint about this room were the beds. Unfortunately, they were the least comfortable I've experienced among the various resorts I've stayed at in Vegas. But I did appreciate the convenience of having an outlet plug on each side of the bedside lamp. The storage options were adequate, but we lived out of our suitcase. The safe was located in the furniture, likely due to the lack of a traditional closet. They did provide an armoire, which we used to store our dirty clothes in our nifty laundry bags. These bags are incredible, by the way. I've been using them for about a year, and they make it so easy to keep dirty clothes separate, and packing for the way home is a breeze. I can't imagine traveling without them now. If you're interested, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description. Now let's talk about the view. While we didn't get a strip view, we could see the mountains, Atomic Golf, which I will be showing you more of in a bit, and Fremont Street in the distance. Is it open?
Yeah, it's gonna go like this. Nope,
I don't know if it's open.
I don't think it's open.
So what you just saw was us trying to access the adult rooftop pool, which was one of the reasons we booked this hotel. We stayed here a few years ago and enjoyed that pool. Unfortunately, we found out it's closed for the season, which I found a bit odd since it's summer and super hot. Anyways, they do have another pool available called Swim and Social that's open to everyone. The pool is one of the amenities included in the resort fee that you pay upon arrival. Another available amenity is the fitness center. I didn't use this facility, but it looked clean, bright, and well equipped. There are a few perks of staying at this resort. One is the free bus called the Downtown Loop, which takes you to the Fremont Street Experience and other attractions, like the Mob Museum, Arts District, and North Outlet Mall. No other resort on the Strip offers this option. Since the Strat is somewhat isolated and a bit of a distance from most attractions, this bus is especially handy. You will find the pickup spot near the sports book. Locate that and make a right, go past the Vegas store, and out the doors. The double-decker bus called the Deuce also stops at the Strat, making it convenient to visit other attractions and hotels on the Strip. The cost is $6 for a single trip, $8 for a 24-hour pass, and $20 for a 3-day pass. Another perk is that there is a McDonald's right inside the hotel, which was convenient for us to grab the occasional breakfast or late-night snack. And if you enjoy golfing, you might like the brand new Atomic Golf next door, which is easily accessible from the Strat. There's a hallway off the casino floor that leads to the side exit and into the Atomic Golf parking lot. While I didn't use this facility, I did take a quick look around and captured some video to share with you. The Strat is located at the far north end of the Las Vegas Strip. This location requires a long walk to most attractions or the use of transportation. As previously mentioned, Atomic Golf is next door. Additionally, there's a fun photo opportunity nearby and a Carl's Jr. across the street, which we found helpful for a quick meal before starting our day's adventures. The Strat is known for its impressive observation tower, which also features a restaurant and rides at the top. While it's not a free attraction, guests of the hotel receive a discount. Initially, we planned to go up to the observation deck and look around, since they advertised it as $5 per hotel guest. But when we went to purchase, the price jumped up to over $10 per person due to added fees, totaling $22 for two of us. This was disappointing, and we decided it wasn't worth the cost just to look around, so unfortunately I didn't get any coverage. They also offer package deals if you want to enjoy the rides. Now for my final thoughts and review. We initially booked this hotel because of the package deal price including flight. As the cheapest option at the time of booking, we didn't expect a high-end stay. The Strat is an okay property, but it was quite quiet. There used to be a shopping plaza that is now blocked off, and there's not much else happening inside. As mentioned, it is somewhat far from main attractions. We enjoy walking, so it didn't bother us, but it is something to consider. One advantage is that prices at the nearby stores are better since it's not in the heart of the strip. We often stopped at the nearby Circle K for drinks and snacks, and the world's largest gift shop is also close by. The room was clean and bright with no complaints, other than the bed. Would I stay again? Possibly, if the price was right. However, if the price is similar to other resorts, I would probably choose another budget property over this one, mainly because of the location and the lack of activity. Also, the resort fees at the Strat are similar to other budget resorts that are closer to the action, making it less appealing. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel and I greatly appreciate your support. Thank you for watching and happy travels.